It's a basis of trust. That is what I see informed consent for. A trust between the researcher and the research participant.
Informed consent is a foundational element of ethical research, helping participants understand the risks, benefits, and purpose of the study. It empowers individuals, builds trust, and ensures the integrity of the research process.
As a lawyer, it's interesting to see that this concept was developed in the field of ethics and bioethics, and we just copied that. And we were really happy that that was developed because, yeah, it changed the whole approach. And now we're talking about autonomy and about patients' rights and so on and so forth.
The major challenge that I see is that we're overwhelmed with information. So when we're asked to give consent, are we really informed about the information? I think I switch off most of the time when I'm even hearing about what's going to happen with my information or what I'm being asked to do.
Additionally, in global research, we face challenges with language barriers, cultural differences, and varying levels of digital literacy. The process needs to be clear, accessible, and tailored to diverse participant groups.
We need a continuous updated consent. So this is the second challenge for researchers, especially for researchers, to take care that what is said at the beginning of the process should somehow be the same with what it said at the end by the subject.
Things are getting more and more complex, right? So the world is getting more and more complex.